Hey guys, how you doing? Today is another big red day. I pretty much I think on TraderView I said I was up almost $5,600 before I lost all these, so I think I'm only up 3,000 for the month. Probably I don't know, probably actually like maybe $2,500 up for the month now, and it's crazy. Just in a process of 3 days, I was able to lose a lot of that money so quickly and so fast. It's very frustrating, and I know it's just me getting in the way. Like, just so yeah, I'm taking some time off for a bit, enjoying the year, like the until New Year, and kind of rethink of what I wanted to do. But yeah, today's trade was honest, got a bunch of revenge trade. I had a swing position from yesterday that I got in around, I think it was 30, my average was 38.02. Then I covered some here, 37.85. This is in pre-market. And I covered some of the 37.40 and 37.50. And I had, I think, 40 shares left. Then the market came and it just dumped, and I was buying dips and holding them for way too long, holding to my losers, and by I got to this point I was down $800. Then I bought 300 shares right here. Then this thing just skyrocketed all the way up, and I was like, okay, now I'm only down like I think it was like $110. I was like, okay, wow, that's a huge jump. I made $700 on that just huge rally. And I was like, this is gonna pull back. Then when it pulls back, I'm gonna enter 200 more shares. So it pulled all the way from 38.93 all the way to 37.66. Then I added 200 shares here, but it just kept going down more and more and more. Then I got out here. Then I got out the rest here, and that just brought me out to being $947 loss. And this thing just continued to tank and tank. You know, is at this point this stock is extremely oversold, but you know, it doesn't really matter. I'm losing a lot more money on it than I am gaining on it. So is it gonna reverse? Is it gonna go down to 26 and bounce off? Is it just gonna have another horrible down to like $23 or something? Like it's hard to say what's gonna happen with the stock. But yeah, that's the reality that's I'm looking at, and I think I just need to take a while. Look at that volume, 107 million shares traded. Like it just dwarfs any other shares that have been traded so far. This is crazy. Wow. But yeah, I need to take some time off and just recollect my thoughts. I'm still up like 2,500 this month. That's still really good, but I need to face the fact that I have been dropping the ball. My risk management game went to shit so fast, so quick, and it's crazy how I don't know why it didn't stop, but I can't dwell on the fact um, that I didn't stop. You know, I think I'm gonna come out of this so much more stronger and so much more. I'm gonna have a better understanding of who I am as a day trader, but I need to make sure that I come out of this, not stay within the same cycle, and actually also honor the stuff that I'm saying too on these videos, because I'm really seeing the cycle go worse and worse and worse. So I'm gonna try to make it better, but yeah, it's just a horrible day. I've talked to a few other traders on Instagram and stuff, and they're just saying like you're in a funk, and the best thing to do is walk away. You know, there's no need to trade. The market's going to be there another day, right? So yeah, if you guys are having a shitty day too, or having or if you guys can sympathize, I'm sure everyone can sympathize with this. But yeah, we can't dwell with it. You know, we can't wait for a stock to reverse because we think it's oversold. The stock is gonna, you know, do its thing as long as it wants to do its thing. You know, I don't have the money to wait for the stock to do the right thing. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the new year.